Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Deco app. So let's get started. So here I can see Deco app. If you want to use it, you have to follow this easy steps. So first of all, you have to open it. Okay. So currently this app only works in the Christmas season. Okay. So now this the Christmas season has been over because it's February now. Okay, so we can't use this app. You can use it only in winters. So here, what is this app for? So this app is for your Christmas messaging. Okay, so you can just message your friend through the Christmas tree messages. Okay, and it are very easy to use app. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.